If you've ever felt drained, foggy, or just not yourself, you might be dealing with something you can't see, but your body can definitely feel. In today's video, we're exposing a hidden danger that affects every single one of us: man-made electromagnetic fields, EMFs. While the mainstream narrative dismisses concerns, the science tells a different story. Studies show that EMFs disrupt one of the most vital parts of your body, your mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses of your cells that generate energy. By the end of this video, you'll understand why mitochondrial health is crucial, how EMFs interfere with it, and most importantly, what you can do to protect yourself and your family. Stick around, because we're diving into real scientific studies, and later we'll discuss ways to mitigate the effects of EMFs, including one of the most advanced solutions available. Let's get into it. Mitochondria are the unsung heroes of your body. Every cell in your body contains them, and they are responsible for producing the energy, ATP, that keeps you alive. Think of them as microscopic power plants that take the food you eat and the oxygen you breathe and convert it into the energy your body needs to function. Beyond energy production, mitochondria play a critical role in regulating cell death, apoptosis, which prevents harmful mutations from spreading, managing calcium levels, crucial for muscle contractions and nerve function, producing antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress, and supporting brain health, metabolism, and immune function. When mitochondria are healthy, you feel vibrant, energetic, and strong. But when they are damaged, the consequences can be devastating: chronic fatigue, neurodegenerative disease, metabolic disorders, and even accelerated aging. So, what happens when our mitochondria are exposed to constant man-made EMFs from Wi-Fi, cell towers, smart meters, and 5G networks? Well, research has shown that EMFs negatively impact mitochondria through several mechanisms. Firstly, oxidative stress and free radicals. A groundbreaking study found that EMF exposure increases the production of reaction oxygen species, also known as free radicals. These unstable molecules are highly reactive and can damage mitochondrial DNA, proteins, and lipids. This leads to mitochondrial dysfunction, as the mitochondria become overwhelmed with the production of free radicals. When mitochondria are unable to repair themselves due to the lack of productive mechanisms on their DNA, they can't efficiently generate energy, resulting in cellular stress, inflammation, and eventually cell death. The oxidative damage has been linked to a wide range of chronic health problems, including neurodegenerative disease, cardiovascular conditions, and metabolic disorders. Secondly, calcium ion dysregulation. Another study revealed that EMFs disrupt voltage-gated calcium channels, causing excessive calcium to flood the cells. This process overreacts mitochondria, leading to energy depletion and cellular breakdown. The influx of calcium triggers a cascade of destructive cellular events, which contribute to various health issues, including inflammation and cell death. If you're interested in learning more about how EMFs affect voltage-gated calcium channels specifically, check out my previous video lesson called Voltage-Gated Chaos. It dives into this mechanism and potential impacts on your health. Thirdly, structural damage of mitochondria. Research has shown that prolonged EMF exposure can physically alter mitochondria, reducing their efficiency and impairing their ability to generate energy. These structural changes make it more difficult for the mitochondria to carry out their essential tasks, leading to energy depletion and overall decline in cellular function. This damage has been linked to early signs of metabolic disorders and other chronic conditions. The long-term effects of mitochondria damage are concerning. We are seeing skyrocketing rates of chronic disease, cognitive decline, and metabolic disorders, many of which correlates with increased exposure to artificial EMFs. Before we continue, if you're finding this information valuable, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Your support helps us spread awareness on the dangers of EMFs and how to take back control of your health. Reducing exposure to EMF is key. Some practical steps include turning off Wi-Fi at night, keeping your phone on airplane mode when not in use, avoiding Bluetooth earbuds and wireless devices, hardwiring your intranet instead of using wireless connections, and spending more time outdoors, away from high EMF environments. But here's the reality. Completely eliminating EMF exposure is nearly impossible in today's world. That's where Blushield's technology comes in. Blushield works by generating frequencies that mimic natural electromagnetic fields found in nature, frequencies your body naturally resonates with. Instead of trying to block harmful EMFs, which is difficult, if not impossible, Blushield helps your body tune into the frequencies it actually wants, ignoring the rest. Think of it like tuning a radio. You're surrounded by all sorts of signals, but you can choose to focus on the one that brings clarity instead of noise. By incorporating Blushield into your environment, you help your body align with its natural electromagnetic rhythms, which can reduce stress and mitigate the potential damage caused by EMFs. Over time, this protection can make a significant difference, especially considering that modern life exposes us to higher levels of EMF than ever before. Mitochondria are at the core of our health, and the science is clear. Man-made EMFs disrupt their function. We are in an era where invisible artificial frequencies surround us 24/7, and ignoring that issue is not an option. Reducing your exposure is the first step, but adding protection like Blushield can be the game changer your body needs. If you found this information eye-opening, give this video a thumbs up and share it with somebody who needs to hear it. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on EMF protection and natural health. Stay informed, stay protected, and we'll see you in the next video.